Hi, this is Namrata Gulati Sapra, Deputy Editor at Saur Energy International. We are at Intersolar being held in Gandhinagar at Ahmedabad. And today with us, we have Mr. Atul Kamathi, Vice President, and Mr. Deepak Jain, President at Gru Energy. Thank you so much for joining us for an interview. So, to begin with, tell us about Gru Energy and the firm, and introduce the firm to us, which has been just launched.
Yeah, so Chiripal Group is very well known in the industry. So we are having a 50 years of legacy from Chiripal Group, and we entered in the renewable energy segment with the brand name GREW. So under GREW, we will have complete ecosystem with backward integration in solar PV, starting from EPC, module manufacturing, cell manufacturing, and ingot wafer manufacturing. And also we will have a glass manufacturing and other ecosystem which will support the module manufacturing.
So, tell us, why solar of all the industries? Chirpal already, it has a lot of it is working on a lot of industries, but why solar?
So this is just to support the our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's vision to have net zero, and also to support the global requirements for the net zero carbon emission. And obviously, one needs to start somewhere. So we are starting with the solar, and solar is the option for that. So this is the one of the major answer to all these questions. So that's why we chose, although we will have other renewable energy segments also in future, but we started with solar since it is a long run process.
You also mentioned other renewable segments. Tell us about your plans in those sectors.
So basically, within solar, we will have various segments like floating solar, ground mounted, rooftop. Those are the solutions. But we are also offering wind solar hybrid solutions also, wherein solar part will be taken care by us, and we will have a partner in case of wind energy.
So, tell us about your current capacity and capacity expansion plans going ahead.
So, as you know, we are. This is the launch of the brand and the company. So, we are coming up with 1 gigawatt module manufacturing facility in Jaipur, and our plan is to have 4 gigawatt of module manufacturing, 3 gigawatt of cell manufacturing, 300 tons per day of glass manufacturing, and since the PLI is already up and running, so we are planning for ingot and wafer manufacturing also.
And you mentioned solar glass also. So, we have fewer players in the solar glass industry. So, tell us about your take on that.
Yeah, because of that only, just to bridge the gap between demand and supply, and also the long run requirement. So we have planned to enter into glass manufacturing.
So EPC is also a very major part of Gru Energy. So tell us about your EPC projects.
So presently we are working on a 10 megawatt rooftop projects at various sites in Ahmedabad, and at the same time we have already secured orders for 50 megawatts on ground mount projects. We have started this year from Jan 2022, and if you see any other company till date, I don't think any other company has even achieved this type of milestone, achieving 50 megawatts of order in hand within a period of 9 months. So I think that's a good feather in the hat as on date, and we are following all the best practices also to complete the EPC.
And tell us about your floating solar projects.
So one of the prime segment in our kit is basically floating solar. We have a lot of locations, lot of pond area, holding areas where they become unutilized. Today we see a lot of barren land parcels. We see very expensive land parcels too. We see limitations on the rooftop. So in that accord, if someone has a pond or someone has a water reservoir, we can use this floating solar, which doesn't affect any kind of aqua life, and also it helps avoid evaporation of water. So you have more use of water, at the same time the system also performs very well. So that's the reason we are more keen on this floating solar, and we have our own patented and specific designs for floating solar for all types of water bodies basically.
And also, your focus has mostly been on utility scale projects. So why is that?
As rightly said by Deepak ji, Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji has a vision, and the one of his targets or the vision is to be carbon zero by 2050. In case we need to achieve that milestone, there are a lot of players already who are into the rooftop and the small segments, residential segments. So, as a catalyst, we want to support his mission, and we want to go for utility and large scale projects to help achieve this mission also for the country. Basically.
And what about captive plants? Also, I think you have some projects around that area too.
So majorly our projects are captive power plants as on date. In fact, as a green initiative, our own companies are also turning green. That's another the ideology of starting this organization. So we are turning our own captive projects greener, which is helping also to get carbon credits and other advantages and reduce the carbon footprints also.
And what is your marketing strategy going to be?
So we will adopt the formula of local to global. So obviously we have started offering the solutions for the local markets, but and in case of products also, so we will cover the pan India. Parallelly, we will explore all the possible opportunities globally, because our mission is to have a global presence. So that's what, again, it's the support to the Indian government and to become the global player from India.
Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you. Thank you.